Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. So, guys, back again with me. My name is Faisal Praputra Hermawan, and today I'm gonna give you guys some IT tutorial again. And uh, in this video, I gonna teach you with the material of CCNA or Cisco Certified Network Associate. So, if before when I teach you MikroTik, we use Pinet. That's some like I don't know, like simulator or emulator, I forgot. But today, for Cisco, we're gonna use a packet tracer that Cisco provided us. The name is Cisco Packet Tracer. Nah, this. Okay. So first, let's open the Cisco Packet Tracer first. It's a little bit long. Okay. It's shown. Wait a second. Okay. So now we enter the Cisco Packet Tracer. Okay, in here, I gonna teach you guys with the material is about VLAN. VLAN and inshallah, if there is some more time, I gonna teach you about trunking, switching trunking. So for the first, let's for VLAN, let's prepare some switch, a switch. Let's prepare a switch. For how to add some nodes, you can go here in the left corner. There is some nodes with the uh, like the device here. We go to network devices, and then in under there's some routers and switches. Go to the switches, and then let's choose this one, the switch with the numbers 200 2090 2950 script 24. Let's insert it in here, and then let's go to the end devices, and in the devices let's choose some PC, okay. Let's we add 4 nodes of PC. Okay. Now after that, let's add some connection. For the connection, we're gonna use the cable drive, drive cable from fast Ethernet 0 to fast Ethernet 1 for the PC 1. And then for PC 1, we're gonna use fast Ethernet 2. PC 2, we're gonna use fast Ethernet 3. Okay. For PC 3, we're gonna use fast Ethernet 4. Okay. And then let's fast forward from the cable on. The sign of the cables turned on is it become green, the light. Okay. So first, let we configure it first from PC 0. Let's just click it, go to desktop, and then IP configuration. Let's add with IP 10.10 point sorry point 10.0 point 1. And then let's add the subnet mask 245, 255, 255, 255.0. The subnet mask is prefix slash 24. Okay. Oh yes, I forgot to tell you something. So VLAN, what we're gonna learn in this, what the function of we configured the VLAN is, because we gonna configure all of this for PCs with same network. that is 10.0/24. If there's for example, if there's 10 PCs, it gonna make the traffic become overload or something like that. It will make the traffic become slower. So for make it smoother, we're gonna divide the domain, the broadcast domain, with by using the VLAN. We're gonna divide into two groups of VLANs. For the left side is the VLAN 10, and for the right side is the 20 VLAN. So there will be 20 traffic. Sorry, there will be two traffic because the broadcast domain we divide it into two broadcast domain by using the VLAN or virtual local area network. So the real time is there is one broadcast domain, but in the logical topology, there is two broadcast domain that divided by the VLAN. Okay, and then let's go to PC1. Let's continue to configure it again. Here, let's we add 10.10.10.2. Let's add the subnet mask 5. 35.0. Okay, pause it. Then let's go to PC2. Here let's we add 10.10.10.3. The subnet mask is 145.145.145.0. Okay, let's go to the last PC. That is PC3. For the PC3, we're gonna use IP 10.4. The subnet mask of graphics 24. Okay, close again. Okay, after that, let's we okay. Wait a minute. Let's we tidy up the topology first. For adding some nodes, you can click N, or in here you can see it's place node. It says N. Okay, just click N. Then let's add some node of the IP. Okay, PC1, PC2, PC4. Okay, it's all set. And for uh, from quit the node mode or placing node mode, we're gonna we move to the selecting mode. We can click escape. Okay. And then make it for make it visible, for make it easier for the dividing the VLAN, we can add some rectangle for grouping. Okay. For adding some rectangle, we can click R, then select. If you wanna fill color, you can choose the mode fill color and select the fill color. We're gonna use this, maybe this one. Let's edit first. Okay. Then for the other side, we're gonna use maybe this color. Okay. Then let's add some node again. For the blue, is the VLAN 10. And for the green side is the VLAN 20. Okay. Okay. For testing, we're gonna test ping first to from PC0 to PC3, PC1 to PC2, PC2 to PC0, PC3 to PC1. We're gonna see what's the result. Successful. Uh, Successful. Oh yes. How to giving email or ping? You can click P on your keyboard, and then click it on the one device to the other devices. The other device. P. Okay. As you can see, all the things that we do on all of the PCs is successful. Why? Because they are still in one broadcast domain. So let's continue to the configuration of dividing the dividing the sorry the VLAN and dividing the broadcast domain. Okay, so let's click the switch. Okay, go to the CLI here. You can click enter. Now here, uh, as you can see, this symbol is the meaning is we still in the user mode. User mode, we cannot in the user mode we cannot do any configuration. So if we wanna do some configuration, we can click enable, enter. Now, if we enter enable, we can go to the privilege mode. Privilege mode. So previous mode, we still cannot do all of the configuration. So if we want to do the configure all of the configuration, we can go to the global configuring mode. That is, we can type configure terminal, enter. Now here, as you can see, enter configuration commands one per line. If you want to quit the global configuration, we can use Control Z. For example, like this, Control Z. Enter. We go back to the privilege mode. So let's continue. Here, after we enter the global configuration mode, first you can make the VLAN first. How to make the VLAN? You can just type it VLAN. For example, we're gonna make two VLAN, that is VLAN 10 and VLAN 20. Okay, so the first, let's type VLAN 10 and then enter, and then type again VLAN 20. Sorry, VLAN 20, and then enter again. Now, for like this, you can go to exit. For exit the configuration VLAN. Nah, this means you added you already added the VLAN 10 and VLAN 20. So for the next configuration is you only go to the interface. Sorry, how to adding the interface to the VLAN is you only have to do is, for example, this interface, this FI is fast Ethernet. Interface fast Ethernet 0/1 is uh, connected to the PC0. So PC0 is on the VLAN 10. So first you can type int or interface f0/1, enter it. Okay. Here, if config slash if slash I'm sorry config strip if, it means you're entering the interface zero precedent 0/1. Okay. Here you can type switch port mode access. Okay. Switch port mode access is for giving your switch port or your port of fast Ethernet 0/1 for giving any configuration. Okay, and after that you can type switch port again, switch port access. and then VLAN. Here we're gonna insert the VLAN 10. VLAN 10. Now, if you already do this, if you type like this, it means your interface 0/1 is entered the VLAN 10, the broadcast of VLAN 10. Okay, so let's add again interface F. For the other interface, it is 0/2. 0/2. 0/2, switch port again, switch port, mode access, enter, and then do the same thing. Switch port, access, VLAN 10. Oh, sorry, I forgot to type the C. Okay, so if if you already did this, it means your interface 0/1 and interface 0/2 is entered the VLAN 10. Okay, let's continue to the VLAN 20. Wait, and then let's move to interface 0/3. Interface 0/3. Interface 0/3 is entering the green zone, which is that mean it entered VLAN 20. Yeah, let's start again. Switch port, do the same thing. Switch port, mode access. Uh, it has it has not it doesn't have a lot of difference between the configuration. It all same, just the difference is when you're giving the switch port access, go to VLAN, just the number 10 or 20 like that. Switch port, VLAN, sorry, access, VLAN, 20, enter. Okay, let's move again to interface F0/4, enter, switch port, mode access, enter, and then go to switch port, access VLAN 20, enter. Nah, if like this, you all set. You finish the configuration of VLAN. Okay, so now let's try to ping it. To ping. Before let's move forward. Let's fast forward first. Okay, and then let's try to ping from PC0 to PC1. Successful. Let's try again from the PC2 to PC3. It's successful because they're still on the same VLAN. So now let's try to ping uh, from uh, from VLAN 10 to VLAN 2, PC0 to PC3. Let's see what's the result. It's failed. Let's try again from PC2 to PC1. It still failed. Why? Because they're on the different VLAN. Okay. Because we still have much time. Let's continue to the next method, that is trunking. Trunking, gonna do the same like this before. Just put it in here. Okay. And then the PC. Wait. Okay. Let's add some PC again. Four. So VLAN trunking is we connecting between two switch. We gonna do same like before. Later on, when we it's wait, wait, wait. Okay, finish. Then let's continue to let's fast forward again. Okay. Let's configure the PC again. Well, we're still using the same network that is 10.0. Wait. Okay. So for connecting both switch, we're gonna use the cable of crossover from fast Ethernet 0/5/5. Okay. Let's fast forward again. Okay, it's right. Turn on. For the configuration in switch one is same like before. Same like the switch uh, from the first switch. Wait, wait. So later on, the this VLAN from VLAN 10 in the switch 1 can connect it to the VLAN 10 in the switch 0, just like we connecting each and another. Okay. Okay. Access VLAN 10. Okay. This for the next configuration. Okay, for VLAN in the switch 1 is for the second switch is already set up. So let's try to ping first. Let's try pinging. Successful from both from inside the VLAN first. Then let's try to let's ping to the another VLAN. Fail it. Okay. If we ping to the another VLAN and then the result is failed, it means we successful for configuring the VLAN. Okay. So for the last configuration is trunking. Trunking is the Cisco proprietary that we can only do in Cisco devices or the vendor is Cisco. That it will connecting the switch between two switch. So both switch will be connected each other. So later on, we from the PC4 VLAN 10 we can ping to the PC0 VLAN 10, but we also we still cannot ping from the PC4 to PC2. We still cannot ping to the different VLAN. Okay. 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 Let's do it. Okay. For the configuration, it can the cable the interface get connected to another switch is 0.5. Okay. You, the only thing you need to do is put another from and then let's later and another column. And so that's not correct. So, so let's try again. It's successful. Successful. So we finished the we already finished all the tutorials for today. Thank you very much for watching. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.